Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you a very simple and powerful way to use DearERP AI Assistant to automate your Odoo work. With just one prompt, we will create a new contact, a sales team, add team members, assign a team leader, and even create tasks for each member. So let's grab a coffee and get started the video. So now I am taking one name here. Simply we have to check is there any person is available by the name of James. So when I'm going to check here, there are other names are available, but James is not available. So I'll create the contact by the name of James. So I'm moving into the Dear ERP here and give the prompt accordingly. So I am moving to instruct here, create a new contact with the name James, create a new sales team named James team. Inside this sales team, add 4 employees, employee 1, employee 2, employee 3, and employee 4. So assign tasks inside the CRM pipeline as follows. Like I am giving here task 1 employee to the 3 employees. Then team review task to employee 4. So first to third task are to the first to third employees. Then team review task to employee 4, which would be team leader. So link all tasks to the James sales team. So this prompt tells this Dear ERP exactly what to do step by step. So what will be happen? It will automatically create the contact. It will create the sales team. It will add all 4 employees. It will assign a team leader, and it will create and assign all the tasks under the CRM pipeline. Because you don't have to click anything manually, the AI assistant handles everything for you. So we have to check now. Amazing. Now it is created as we have instructed to this tool. So I'll move to check is it really existing or not. So open Odoo here. Let's wait for some time. It is open. Now I have to move into the CRM. In CRM, there is Teams. So I am moving in the Teams. Nice. It is created the James team. So when I'm clicking here, all tasks are assigned to the employees, where team review task is handling the employee 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's check here. Task 1 is, so we can name it any task as well here according to our intention. Then 2, like this we can check for the team review task as well. So simply what we do here, we will move and change the task name to any specific task like call, conduct, and demo like this. So schedule the all tasks by name, not simply just task. We will check accordingly. Yes. Amazing. Now it is given like that. So previously task 1, now make initial contact and qualify the lead. So like this it is edited here. So we will check accordingly is it happen or not. So simply move into the CRM. In CRM there is Teams, in Teams, James Teams. Oh, nice. Final review and approval, proposal and quotation preparation. So what happens here? It saves a lot of time. It eliminates manual errors. It helps you automate your CRM setup and it keeps your team organized right from the beginning. So this method is extremely powerful because of all these reasons, and you can also modify this prompt anytime like just now we have practiced. For example, to add deadlines, reminders, meetings or email activities or anything. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more AI powered Odoo automation videos like this, make sure you like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.